we can learn from nature is that we don't have to fight about what system is better or worse. We can use both. Now here at REVO ZERO, we are in front of a very ambitious project. On one end, we're building the longest range zero emissions vehicles. And on the other end, we are building the largest hydrogen refueling network nationwide, quickly and economically. We have virtually no competition because no one is doing what we are envisioning. We are creating a revolution. We're changing the status quo.